Good afternoon, children. Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan is commemorating the birth anniversary of Major Dhyan Chand as National Sports Day throughout India. We are quite acquainted with the contribution of Major Dhyan Chand ji in the field of hockey. Dear children, games and sports are having a very big importance in our life. Somebody asks that what is the role of games in our life? Here I would like to mention that without games and sports, we cannot imagine about a healthy life. And you all know that healthy mind is only present in a healthy body. Games not only enable us in maintaining good health, rather it also enable us to learn number of different life skills. For example, the most important thing which is very crucial for everybody's life, that is discipline. Games, every game teaches us to be disciplined. One who is not disciplined cannot play any game. So game teaches us to be disciplined. And second very important thing, it teaches us, it makes us to learn to be in the group, how we can maintain the group dynamics, how we can adjust with other teammates. So group making, leadership quality, all these skills are also learned through games. So nobody should be in the impression that by playing any game or through the games and sports, we can maintain only our physical health. Here I would like to mention and lay a strong emphasis on the fact that games and sports are very much essential for physical as well as mental well-being of the individual. If anybody wants to be physically fit as well as mentally fit, then certainly I would like to suggest that at least everybody should play one game of his or her own choice. Whichever games you like, spare some time to play that games. It also aids in keeping yourself free from all kind of worries, all kind of stresses, other than keeping your physical health fit. So on the occasion of celebration of this National Sports Day, we all should decide that we will spare some time on playing at least one game for minimum 30 to 45 minutes every day so that we can keep our health sound and be mentally fit. Thank you. Jai Hind.